What lies beneath is a Trigon of Highfleet Dagon. First sighted during the invasion of the hive world of Castabel, salvaged security recordings taken from Hive Trimolov showed evidence of this enormous being's rampage. Detonating the plasma core within the city, ensuring the collapse of its crucial power ventilation, lighting, defensive arsenal, and water supply needs, the Trigon recognized the machine's needs for a retrofit, severing the pipes which transported its cooling fluid. Believing the Trigon to have been sundered by the resultant explosion, Imperial survivors recounted to Inquisitorial agents that the creature was sighted once more upon the shrine world of Kredos, attacking behind enemy lines. Targeting an Imperial supply depot, wherein the base commander had ignored regulations on proper Promethium storage tank requirements. The detonation of their recent full resupply of artillery shells within the nearby facility's field munitorum was once more believed to have slain the burrowing entity. Hundreds of tanks and thousands of their crews destroyed during the blast, yet more incidents would unfold mere weeks later, often within systems across the expanse of the Achilles Crusade. Recognizing the creature to be responsible for all such precisely timed disasters, the Imperials dubbed the Trigon simply as what lies beneath. Yet their belief that such a being was an unthinking monster was far too egregious a mistake considering its actions. Working only alongside Hermagorns to enact its surgical strikes, what lies beneath always attacked within the opening stages of Dagon's ecological invasions. Attempts by command staff of the Achilles Crusade unable to censure stories told of its rampages. Whether appearing by virtue of genetic prioritization coding or the use of mycetic spore transports, the Imperials have utterly failed in their attempts to capture or glean insight on its mechanisms used to undermine their defenses. Its reputation burgeoning with every story told of its demise within cataclysmic explosions, only to return again to reap new harvests of slaughter. Commanders have routinely limited ammunition and fuel reserves as a precaution to prevent its resurgence. The Adeptus Mechanicus utilizing seismographic installations in an attempt to track its maneuvers. Many deride the Tech Adept's use of such limited resources to track but a single target. Its distinctive ventral stripe identifying it as other than its similar breed. Never is what lies beneath seen fighting conventional engagements in deference to hit-and-run attacks, wherein retreat is assured.